What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys. And as always, we have our lovely mom.
Hello, friends. Good to see you again.
Okay, guys. Well, I'm your host. Yes, I've taken the position as your host.
Chef in the house.
Chef.
In the kitchen.
Chef. Yeah. Friends, I need some food table, like Anyways, guys. So what we are going to do today? Oh, before we get to that,
okay.
While you're in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, because we just do cooking shows, cooking and tips, anything I got to do cooking related actually. So stick around to the end of this video and don't forget to drop a thumbs up. It helps the video.
Comment, like, share.
So anyways, let's get to what we are going to be doing. Today we are going to be doing what we call, mommy.
Plantain Moi-Moi. Ta-da!
Okay, ta-da. Anyways, guys, so our ingredients we have our Maggi seasoning, Maggi, smoked fish, turmeric, our red oil, fresh pepper, salt, onion, and plantain.
Unripe plantain. You know, guys, while we are putting this together, this time is season for plantain. Like I said in our previous video, that any season, anything that you find at that season, please make sure you eat it very, very well.
Stock up on it. Stock up on it. File it in your fridge. Let it be there.
So that's why we are making this. Now it's like there's plantain. So in fact, we are making good use of it. Yes, we are. So we want to try this. I've not done it before. This is my first time. So I'm pretty sure that it's going to be good. Let's try it and see.
Okay, and this is the wrap.
Yeah.
This is to wrap it.
If you don't have this, you can look for plantain leaf itself. You can look for plantain leaf and use to wrap it. But since we have this, let's make use of this.
Okay, guys, now is to prepare the
Yes.
we'll remove the this thing from the plantain. We'll pull it out of its shell or back.
Yeah. Then we'll blend it.
Then we'll blend it.
And so still you are going to be seeing it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are back. We say we're going to cut and wash. I think here. So
In
here we have our diced and chopped onion, unripe plantain. Okay, the pepper is still there.
On the side.
Pepper and this fish.
Tiny fish.
Yeah.
I believe people will know this fish. So
fish. So now what is it called itself? I'm going to blend it. Put it in the blender.
Since it's not this thing, we'll be blending it little by little.
Beat them evenly.
It's okay. Then you add water. Don't not use too much water so it will not. So just please cover it. So as you can see, we are done blending. This is the
moi-moi that the onion, the onion, the plantain, the pepper, everything. That's the paste.
So next, we are going to put in our seasoning. I'm using Maggi crayfish. Then I add my turmeric. Today I just want to use it. I want to have that turmeric taste. I want to have that taste. Salt, little. Yeah. So you. Yeah, please help me.
Do it.
To stir it.
I should stir it.
Yeah. Okay, don't worry, let me do it too. So I have to stir it like this. Oh, this thing is lovely. The way I'm seeing it, the way the texture, I really like it.
I'm not gonna blend it. Who blend it? Who blend it?
Not blending.
Who blend it?
It's you now. It's you.
Yeah,
Will I say
the
not
texture,
it's you?
Perfect. See, I said I have.
Just please come back here. Don't make noise. Come. Now, don't give yourself all the credit. You will not credit me. You see this thing, eh? This another way of eating plantain. If you don't want to chew it,
So if you are old,
you guys, if you don't like chewing plantain, even you do like chewing.
No, if you are old, if you don't like me, I don't like plantain. I like fried plantain. But I don't like.
That's what children like. They only like fried things. So if you do this, they will eat it. They won't even know that it's plantain. Children don't like chewing it. Even potato. Do you like eating boiled potato?
I don't like potato.
I like fried. Everything fried. Guys, can you hear?
I like fried.
That's them. So I've catch them by doing this. This one they will eat it. They won't even know that it's plantain. So what next? Our oil. Because I've done to use oil. More. Yeah. Don't worry. You have to mix it very well. Gently, so it won't pour your apron. Then we put this our leaf. Yeah, I have it 2 sections. I've already cleaned them. They are well washed. So it's well washed. This one is the one I'm going to use in time. Why I'll use this one to do the layer. So I need to get something to lay so that the moi-moi won't get burned. So I don't have this thing. I have to go and get this pawpaw stem to use as my layer. So I'm just cutting it now. I've washed it, so I'll use it as my layer to lay it at the bottom of the pot, just like this. Just like this. It's strong. It's high. Cut it out. You see, just like that. If you have corn stem, you can use it. Perfect. But wherever you don't have corn stem, you get pawpaw. You get something to use as your layer. Nothing can stop us from cooking.
Back to Chef Jeff. As you can see, it's having this reddish turmerically, this reddish yellowish color.
English.
Yeah, I stirred it like this. So it's just easy, just the act of stirring. Just there. It's not hard.
I'm laying it. I'm laying the leaf now. I think that's okay. Very, very good. That's good. I don't really know how to wrap my naan, but I will try. The way I will wrap it, please take it that way. But anyhow, I know that I will wrap it. So grab your leaf, big and small. Take out this. Take out this excess. Yeah. Then you use your hand to break it at the back. You are breaking it. You are breaking it so it will enable you to wrap. So you add this to it. Jeff, you will wrap your own too. How you turn it? I thought you are chef.
Yeah, but
Jeff, did you taste it? If the salt, let me to taste it. Bring your hand.
There's turmeric in that thing. There's
What happened to turmeric?
There's pepper, onion. Sorry.
It's okay.
I can't taste. No matter what it is, even if it's just, I can't.
It's
if it's a paste, I cannot.
I've tasted it. Leave it.
Well, how? Okay.
It's fine. It's fine for me. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah. I don't know if I should add water to it or I should just go ahead. Let me not add water. Let me just go ahead.
Onion.
Yeah, you pick your fish.
Add
This is the
fish.
fish. This is the fish.
Can you eat it raw?
What? Put it.
Can you just eat it raw?
Eat what raw?
The fish. As it is like this.
Then you.
No,
they don't eat it. They don't eat it raw.
You have to cook it.
Yes. Okay. So you wrap it. You see, it's giving me hard time, but I will do it. All right. So pick another leaf. You continue. Pick another leaf. What's funny? Get another leaf.
Cameraman, eat your fish.
No,
like when you said baby, it's raw. Is that open?
Is that open? Must eat.
Is that so?
Jeff, not you. So like this, friends, please bear with me. I'm learning. For this one, I'm learning. So I'm almost done. So I just want to show you the last wrap. But for now, we are managing it. But at least I think I'm wrapping it well so far. This one is getting all the remaining fish. So yeah, if I should put everything into boils, okay, let me use smaller this one to wrap that one. It's okay. So I have to change the pot. This one was too small, so I use a bigger pot. The next thing, put it on the fire like this. You get your hot water at the side. Let's add water like this. Gently. I think this should be enough. Okay, I'm gonna show them, let them sit it down. Okay, it's okay. Then I'll get the remaining leaves to cover it. Use it to cover it with this. If I will use the, I'll now cover it with the, use the pot cover to cover it finally. If you have, you can add nylon. Use like, if you have some poly bags or how white nylon or whichever nylon, just use it to cover it so that the steam, it will make it to steam very fast. So we see you back. Take care. So friends, welcome back. As you can see, is Plantain Moi-Moi is ready. It's ready. So now we want to open it. Purely African. Oh my God! Look at the face. Look at the face. Still hot. Still very hot. So let's test it. Hope you are seeing it. Is it just like Moi-Moi, red oil Moi-Moi? So I'm not going to miss my fans, my friends, my family. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for always supporting us. Please have the first.
She first me.
Okay. Tastes like a local porridge. Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell them, how does it taste?
It almost tastes like Mama, but it's just a little bit different. I think the beans different.
Yes, because this one is plantain, but it's nice. It's really nice. Even little baby can eat this. Little baby, like 6 months old baby, can eat it. Treat with the fish, you enjoy it. It's nice, it's nice. I tried. I was thinking the thing will not come.
This is the first time eating plantain.
Even me, this is my first time also.
So you just made the.
I just form it. Can do anything with plantain. That's like.
My mom took plantain. She had never made it before. She made this, and it's this good, bro. Like you guys,
tastes good. You need to try it. Now there's plantain. You can make good use of it.
You've not done it before, you sure?
Do it in any form, any way you know that your children will like it, or you do yourself.
You should not done it before.
Honestly, I haven't done it before. Have you ever seen me? This is my first time.
Because it looks like you've done it and done it.
And grab your water while eating this. Okay. Just so, let's go. It's like you like it. No, I like eating cold food. I don't enjoy it being hot.
Nice.
So guys, that's it. You need to try this.
The cutting process is not that long. It'll take you less than 30 minutes to have cut it.
And the cooking is just like 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10?
Yeah. Total 10 minutes.
So it's not that hard. And it tastes so nice for something like guys, you should try it out. And yeah, while I'm trying it out, you know what you also should try? Try clicking that like button, the subscribe button too, and drop a comment. If you do that, why? I want to try that. It's
so simple.
why? It's not. It's
no,
free. It's free. You like free,
just,
subscribe free.
Just touch it and bye. Bye.
Say bye. I want to be doing some soundtrack recently. Bye. This one, she don't say, is it Tana or some shit? Tana. She did. Anyways, she's not doing soundtrack.
Please, oh.
Anyways, yeah, don't forget to comment, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Turn on post notification bell icon so you get when we drop new content like this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
You can even tell us what you want us
like
to say. Yes. So
eat healthy, stay healthy, and yeah.
Live healthy. All the healthy.
Bye.